Hello everyone, we are back like we never left. On today's episode, we will be doing a fashion look. But before we get to that, I would like to appreciate every of our subscribers and our viewers. We're already having close to 700, right?
Yes.
Like, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. We appreciate everyone. The likes, the share, and we appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. Thank you. So on today's makeup, we are not going to be doing too much filming. We are just going to... What are we going to do, say?
Okay, so it's just a little bit of sprinkle, but you guys will get the gist.
Yes. A fashion look, a creative shoot. Anyone, just tag it, name it your own. Just anyone you want to. But we'll be doing something beautiful today. For our brows, I would like to bleach our brows. So I think that will go for the look. I don't want to do the regular brows, so I'll be bleaching our brows. This is the finished look. Hey everyone! We had light issues. We were able to film the process. Like, it's so sad. It's so sad. But we go again. This bante, this neck piece is made from bubble gum.
The creativity.
Yes. So colorful and well detailed. Check it out.
I love the makeup. I love the neck piece, the whole creativity. See, look at my face, look at my eyes. Can you guys see it? It's nah, give her flowers.
Give me the flower.
Give her flower, take your flower.
Smile. Please kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share. Till next time,
Love you.